Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome. In today's video, we'll delve into declarative sentence, definition, types, and examples. So let's get started. Declarative sentence, definition, types, and examples. John goes to school every day. Declarative sentence. John goes to school every day is a declarative sentence. Out of the four basic types of sentence in English, one is called declarative sentence, which is also known as assertive sentence. A declarative or assertive sentence is a type of sentence that gives us a fact or makes a statement. Declarative sentences end with a full stop or period. Declarative sentences can be positive or negative, which declare something is or something is not. The usual grammatical construction or word order of declarative sentences is S or subject plus verb plus the rest of the sentence. Subject plus verb plus any other elements. So this is the structure. Continue watching this video to learn declarative sentence, definition, meaning, types, and examples. This video covers the following topics: declarative sentence, definition, and meaning. What is a declarative sentence? Why is it called a declarative sentence? And declarative sentence example. More examples of declarative sentence. Structures of declarative sentence. Types of declarative sentence. Declarative sentence, definition, and meaning. According to Cambridge Dictionary, the word declarative means involving knowledge or facts, as in swimming is the best exercise. A declarative sentence means a sentence that makes a declaration or statement, as in John is the best teacher. Declarative sentences are also known as assertive sentences, because the word assertive means to make a statement or express an opinion boldly, which is one of the two meanings of the word declarative. Definition of declarative sentence in English. What is a declarative sentence in grammar? A declarative or assertive sentence is a type of sentence that makes a statement, relays information, or expresses an opinion. According to the definition, a declarative or assertive sentence is the one which 1. Makes a statement. The statement made by the declarative sentence can be positive or negative, and it can be important or unimportant, as in John is / is not a teacher, and smoking is dangerous / injurious to health. Number 2, relays information. The information conveyed by a declarative sentence can be factual or non-factual, as in we produce sounds with the help of speech organs, and all the planets move anti-clockwise. Number 3, expresses an opinion. The opinion expressed by a declarative sentence can be any type of opinion, such as biased, personal, or collective opinion. For example, as in, I like red roses. Why is it called a declarative sentence? There's a reason behind the name of each and every sentence. We call a sentence interrogative because it interrogates or questions. Name a sentence imperative because it orders. Term a sentence as exclamatory because it expresses exclamation or surprise. A declarative sentence involves the announcement of a thought. That is, we declare and announce that something is or is not using declarative sentences. We call it a declarative sentence because it makes a declaration. We also call a declarative sentence an assertive sentence because it asserts, affirms, and declares that something is or is not. Now that you've understood what a declarative sentence means, learn the different structures of declarative sentences. Structures of declarative sentences. The sentence structure of declarative sentences is subject plus verb plus any other element. The below given are the common constructions of declarative sentences. Number 1, S plus V plus O, or subject plus verb plus object. Example, I know him. I is the subject, know is the verb, him is the object. Number 2, S plus V plus preppy, or subject plus verb plus prepositional phrase. Example, the school will reopen in January. Number 3, S plus V plus O plus adverb. Subject plus verb plus object plus adverb. Example, John told me yesterday. Number 4, subject or S plus verb plus O or object plus NP or noun phrase. Subject plus verb plus object plus noun phrase or NP. Example, John met me last week. Number 5, S plus V plus O plus adverb phrase or ADVP phrase, adverb phrase. Subject plus verb plus object plus adverbial phrase. Example, they can do it very quickly. More examples of declarative sentence. Here are a few more examples of declarative or assertive sentences containing very important and minor statements. Number 1, Sophia is a social activist. Number 2, John is a teacher. Number 3, the sky is blue. Number 4, he doesn't believe in ghosts. Number 5, Smith can run fast. Number 6, Abraham Lincoln was a great politician. Number 7, Newton was a great scientist. Number 8, I don't know him. Number 9, smoking is injurious to your health. Number 10, earthquake is a natural disaster. Types of declarative sentence. A declarative sentence makes a declaration which can be either positive or negative. That is, a declarative sentence tells us that something is or is not. Based on the use of the negative words used in English, there are basically two types of declarative sentences. They are given below. 1. Positive declarative sentence, and 2. Negative declarative sentence. Number 1. Positive declarative sentence. A positive declarative sentence, which is also known as affirmative sentence, is a type of declarative sentence that doesn't contain negative words such as no, never, or not. A positive or affirmative declarative sentence simply asserts a fact. It doesn't ask a question nor express surprise. Positive or affirmative declarative sentence examples. Number 1, I like apples. Number 2, John wants to talk to you. Number 3, my son goes to school every day. Number 4, I am a regular student. Number 5, John is my friend. Number 2, negative declarative sentence. A negative declarative sentence is a type of declarative sentence that contains negative words such as no, never, or not. A negative declarative sentence negates a fact. It doesn't ask a question nor express surprise. Negative declarative sentence examples. 1. John doesn't like ice cream. 2. I don't know him. I've never said so. John is not my friend. You're not a regular student. Comparing different types of sentence. It's an undeniable fact that the best way to identify something is to compare it with its counterparts. Look at the following comparisons made among the various types of sentences to better understand declarative sentences. Imperative versus declarative sentence. An imperative sentence structure is verb plus any other element. It functions as an order. It's used with a hidden subject. Imperative sentence examples. Leave now. Do it quickly. Get it packed for me. On the other hand, a declarative sentence structure is subject plus verb plus any other element. It makes a declaration. It's used with an explicit subject. It ends with a full stop or period. Declarative sentence examples. John is my friend. I love my dad very much. He cares about you. Interrogative versus declarative sentence. An interrogative sentence structure is WH word / auxiliary verb / modal verb plus subject plus verb plus any other element. An interrogative sentence is used to ask a question. It ends with a question mark. Interrogative sentence examples. Why are you late today? Do you know him? Can you help me please? On the other hand, a declarative sentence structure is subject plus verb plus any other element. It makes a declaration. It's used with an explicit subject. It ends with a full stop or period. Declarative sentence examples. 1. John is my close friend. I love my daughter very much. He will never forgive you. Exclamatory versus declarative sentence. An exclamatory sentence structure is what? Plus noun, plus subject, plus verb, or how, plus adjective, plus subject, plus verb. An exclamatory, also known as exclamative sentence, is used to express surprise. It ends with an exclamation mark. Exclamatory sentence examples. What an idiot person you are. How beautiful she is. On the other hand, a declarative sentence structure is subject plus verb plus any other element. It makes a declaration. It's used with an explicit subject. It ends with a full stop or period. Declarative sentence examples. John is my best friend. I love my mom very much. He wants to talk to you. Frequently asked questions, declarative sentence. What is a declarative sentence? What is a declarative sentence in grammar? A declarative or assertive sentence is a type of sentence that makes a statement, relays information, or expresses an opinion. What is declarative sentence example? What is a declarative sentence in grammar? A declarative or assertive sentence is a type of sentence that makes a statement, relays information, or expresses an opinion, as in, John is a kind student. What does declarative sentence mean? According to Cambridge Dictionary, the word declarative means involving knowledge or facts, as in, swimming is the best exercise. A declarative sentence means a sentence that makes a declaration or statement, as in, John is the best teacher. Examples of declarative sentence. Number 1, Sophia is a social activist. 2, John is a teacher. 3, the sky is blue. 4, he doesn't believe in ghosts. 5, Smith can run fast. 6, Abraham Lincoln was a great politician. 7, Newton was a great scientist. 8, I don't know him. 9, smoking is injurious to health. 10, earthquake is a natural disaster. Are statements and declarative sentences the same? Yes, because a declarative sentence is a type of sentence which functions as statement. The statement is made by a declarative sentence. What is the difference between declarative sentence and sentence? The difference between declarative sentence and sentence is that a declarative sentence is a type of sentence which makes a statement, whereas a sentence is a group of words which has 4 types such as declarative, imperative, interrogative, and exclamatory sentences. So, there you go guys. This video ends here about declarative sentence definition, types, and examples. Thanks for watching.